Hi friends. Are you looking for jobs in Canada that don't demand any special qualifications or abilities and offer free visa sponsorship to foreign workers? These are the easiest and fastest jobs for immigrants to obtain because they don't require experience or skill and are hardly ever held by Canadian citizens. For these jobs, you do not need a formal education. All you need to do is demonstrate your proficiency in either French or English or both. All of the provinces have thousands of open jobs. Some of these jobs offer lodging and travel alternatives, along with a competitive income and additional employment perks. You may be able to immigrate to another country with your immediate family if you have certain employment. You can feel secure in the knowledge that as a foreign person, you will have access to a range of job advertisements and career opportunities for unskilled occupations in Canada. In this video, I'll go over the 20 unskilled jobs that are most in demand right now, with incomes ranging from $40,000 to $100,000 annually. If you watch this video through to the end, I'll show you my top 5 jobs that would give you all of these advantages, their qualifications, and the best ways to apply so that you have a higher chance of getting hired. General farm workers are the 20th and most in-demand unskilled occupation. Even though there are several types of farms and farm labor you can choose to specialize in, the primary requirement for this job is the ability to operate and maintain farm machinery and equipment. If you decide to work in livestock farms, you must be knowledgeable about current livestock diseases and how to assure the proper welfare of farm animals. The average annual wage is between $35,001 and $120,000. For a complete guide and other information about Canadian farm workers, visit my channel. The next job is room attendant. Room service workers work in hotels and deliver orders to customers. These workers' responsibilities also include replenishing many bars, taking orders, doing manager-assigned tasks, being courteous to customers, and collecting soiled dishes. In Canada, how much money does a room attendant make? In Canada, a room attendant makes an average pay of roughly $40,000 per year or $20 per hour. The next job is housekeeping. They keep their surroundings, both at home and at work, clean. Although they can work for residential facilities, businesses, or private residences, housekeepers frequently find employment with hotels. Vacuuming, sweeping, emptying garbage cans, changing linens, washing windows, and mopping floors are among the duties assigned to housekeepers. An hourly wage of $20 for a housekeeper in Canada would amount to around $40,000 Canadian a year. Construction worker occupations rank 18th in terms of demand. On-site jobs performed by construction employees include clearing debris, setting up scaffolding, loading and unloading building supplies, helping to operate heavy machinery, and many more. Canadian construction employment openings are proportional to the size of the population. Consequently, you can anticipate finding more construction work in Canada's urban regions. Entry-level jobs pay between $40,000 and $70,000 per year, while most experienced workers earn up to $70,000. The 16th job is factory worker. Factory workers receive a wage allowance that ranges from $15 to $25 per hour. Canadian manufacturers provide competitive pay, cost-effective health benefits, excellent work-life balance, and a pleasant working environment for its employees. They also offer the chance for career advancement and employment security. The caregiver's job is next. A caregiver is in charge of taking care of another person's needs or concerns who may have temporary or permanent restrictions as a result of illness, accident, or disability. The opportunity to work in various environments is one of the advantages of being a caregiver. You can work for retirement homes, hospices, adult care facilities, private residences, and other organizations. The average annual pay in Canada is around $50,000, or roughly $20 per hour. The 14th job is storekeeping job. A specialist job that deals with materials connected to commodities is storekeeping. A storekeeper may work at a grocery store, a warehouse, or a supermarket. A storekeeper's duties include keeping accurate records of sales and ensuring that the store is restocked appropriately. A storekeeper makes between $50,000 and $80,000 Canadian dollars annually. cleaning is the ninth most sought-after unskilled occupation. As you are aware, a cleaner is in charge of performing all necessary basic cleaning inside and outside of a public building or office. Dusting, mopping, sweeping, vacuuming, clearing smudges off windows and doors, and making sure restrooms are cleaned or sterilized can all fall under this category. This employment provides a shift work schedule and excellent employee perks. In Canada, a cleaner makes an average hourly wage of around $20. Cooks or chefs are job number 12. Chefs organize and oversee the processes of cooking and food preparation. Chefs prepare specialty delicacies and meals. They work in places like clubs, hospitals, restaurants, hotels, and other healthcare facilities. They also work in central food commissaries. In Canada, a chef makes an average yearly pay of around $50,000. Kitchen workers are item number 11. In kitchens, restaurants, clubs, fast food restaurants, and catering businesses, kitchen workers are responsible for cleaning and sanitizing kitchen equipment, helping with basic food preparation, and receiving in-store supplies. Most importantly, you need to be familiar with basic kitchen procedures and food storage regulations. Approximately $20 are paid per hour in Canada, where wages range from $40,000 to $50,000 annually. Quickly, now is the greatest moment to subscribe if you're new to this channel. Furthermore, press the bell icon to turn on notifications for new postings. Let's move on. 10th on our list is front desk manager at a hotel. The overall duties of the front office manager include managing the reception area, coordinating all front desk activities, and directing the support employees. They also include providing guidance and direction to all workers to guarantee their compliance with all hotel policies. How much money does a front desk manager make in Canada? The average annual wage in Canada is around 50,000 Canadian dollars, or around $25 per hour. Plumbers or pipe fitters are ranked 9th on our list. In Canada, you may expect to make at least a staggering $60,000 per year as a plumber. Making it one of the highest-paying occupations in Canada, it offers international workers from all over the world complete employment benefits. Most of the open vacancies for this job are located in Canada's urban regions. Therefore, I advise you to apply as a pipe fitter in provinces like Ontario, Alberta, or British Columbia for the sake of your application. Customer service representatives rank 8th in terms of demand. They are in charge of handling customer complaints, delivering information when asked, and offering excellent customer service. Information sharing, responding to and documenting requests, collecting payments, and resolving billing issues are among the tasks. Especially important are your ability to multitask and verbal communication skills. If you choose to work in this field, you can expect to make roughly $55,000 a year. Carpenters are the 7th occupation. Similar to the other jobs I've highlighted in this video, this one doesn't need applicants to have a degree. You are simply accountable for using wood to erect, maintain, and fix structures and other things. Depending on the project's requirements, they might also be required to choose and obtain the right supplies. A carpenter in Canada normally makes between $50,000 and $60,000 Canadian dollars annually, even though wages differ by province. Landscapers and gardeners rank 6th in terms of demand for unskilled labor. They are responsible for maintaining public and private gardens, park lines, and other green spaces, as well as doing maintenance tasks including mowing the lawn, removing the trash, controlling weeds, and leaf raking. New trees, flowers, and different plants are planted and cared for by them. Mowing, trimming trees, cutting and printing, maintaining open spaces, cleaning, and watering are additional responsibilities. With this work, you may make $20 per hour or more. One of the unskilled occupations with the most flexibility available in Canada is this one. Security guards make up the top 5 unskilled jobs on our list. They are in charge of guaranteeing the security and safety of a business's personnel, guests, and related properties. This employment gives you the chance to work shifts, which means you can spend more time with your family after work. What characteristics make a security guard? Physical health, attention, vigilance, staying focused on the task at hand, communication abilities, and teamwork are the most vital qualities. Dishwasher work is the fourth job. In order to maintain an abundance of clean dinnerware, this group of employees is in charge of dishwashing in a restaurant setting. For this job, no education is necessary. Furthermore, you can obtain this job without any prior experience. Canada is where this job is most in demand, and employers there are willing to pay for your travel there. You can work as a part-time domestic helper or in settings including restaurants, hotels, catering services, and more. This job is particularly adaptable because it allows you to work for numerous organizations simultaneously that need your services, while also providing you with a steady stream of income. If you took this career route, you would make around $48,000 a year. Worker in a warehouse is the third job. These are typically responsible for managing stock shipments and packing requests. Appropriate time management, teamwork, and effective communication are among the abilities needed for this job. You can work in a variety of work sessions and make about $48,000 per year with this profession. Workers in the food processing industry rank second in terms of demand. They are in charge of preparing and preserving a variety of food products. Additionally, they do fundamental quality checks, such as product and package testing, before properly stocking all required supplies in the proper areas. The ability to follow instructions and procedures, good observance of cleanliness and related norms, and comprehension of health and safety requirements are essential qualities for this job. In this sector, one can earn roughly $20 Canadian per hour. Fruit picker tops our list of the unskilled jobs with the highest demand, without any prior education or work experience, at about $15 per hour. The most in-demand profession in Canada is often picking and harvesting crops, which offers you a ton of employment benefits including time flexibility, a daily labor allowance, health insurance, and other sweet deals. It is your duty to manually or with the aid of the proper equipment and instruments, and while keeping in mind the pertinent quality standards of the gathered items, cut agricultural products. How to apply for jobs without experience in Canada. To apply for jobs, you must first make sure that all of your paperwork is prepared in order to quickly submit an application for any of these jobs. Then use any of these three platforms to look for employment opportunities. These websites offer hundreds of jobs relevant to your job search from the hiring company source across Canada and anywhere else in the world. They offer a simple application process and information into job hiring as well. With quick processing times, they give you everything you need to apply for the job. This is the first website, Glassdoor.com. Visit ca.indeed.com next. Visit jobbank.gc.ca as well. These websites also provide you the appropriate salary range for each job. After making sure of everything, choose the best job from the list and submit your application. The more applications you submit, the better your chances are of getting chosen. Is your line of work one of the high-demand, unskilled jobs mentioned? Please leave your response in the space provided for comments. If not, it might be sought after in other regions. There are more videos of unskilled work available on this channel. Make sure you watch the video and follow the simple application instructions to be one of the next group of applicants who will immigrate to Canada in a few months.